continue there with my channel. So I know that I have a couple people that were waiting, or a few, well actually I have more than a few people that were waiting on some additional videos, but hey, I'm here, COVID-19 is here, and guess what you guys, I'm back with my instant Omni Plus. So you might notice that it's in a box. Yeah, I have a few issues. My unit started having an issue where it wouldn't run. You could turn it on, select the function, but it would not run, and that was because of the door switch. It thought it was open. So whenever you try to start a program or do anything, it just basically would beep as if it's going to start, but because the door technically was open, or at least it thought it was open, it would not run. So I did have to utilize my protection plan that I had purchased through the retailer, and I was able to just take it back to the store and get a new one. I don't know what the experience would be if you didn't purchase a warranty and just, dealt with it. So I don't have anything regarding that, but I just say, hey, anything, always try to buy a warranty. If you can't afford the warranty, then of course you're just going to be dealing with whatever manufacturer's warranty is and trying to get them to repair or replace the item. So today I have an unboxing of the Instant Omni. Some people may already have seen this on other channels, but I just decided to do it. So let's just see what it is. As you can see, it comes packaged in a pretty big box. It is a pretty big unit. It is plastic wrapped, so it makes you feel all nice inside, because you're like, hey, it's nice and clean box, not a dusty, nasty, disgusting, dented up box. Let's go ahead and open this up real quick. I'm gonna make a mess. And excuse me if you hear my dogs in the background, Dixon and Zeus. I have a Weimaraner and a miniature Schnauzer, and the front door is open. Well, the storm door is closed, so he's able to look outside and see people walking around. Alright, so get that plastic off of here. As you may or may not know, this is a 11-in-1 function air fryer oven. So you can air fry, you can toast, you can bake, you can broil, you can roast, you can slow cook, you can proof, you can reheat, dehydrate. It even has convection, of course. It is a convection oven, and it has a rotisserie function, which I will be doing today as well. So, well, not an unboxing, but you'll get a separate video today. All right, so let's go ahead and get that open. It's always fun to open new things, just be all excited. Even though I've already owned this, it's still pretty exciting. Alright, so in this huge box, you guys, if you can see here, you got this nice little guide here to register your product. You use the QR code if you wanted to do that. They even want you to join their Facebook. All right, so sorry about the interruption. Okay, so you guys, what we have here, you first open up the box. As you can see, there is what's included. What you get: cooking pan, an oven rack, you get the actual air frying pan, your rotisserie lift, and your rotisserie spit and forks. And then, like I was saying, you can go ahead and connect to their Facebook, and also do download their instant app, which has different recipes specific to different devices that they do make currently. All right, so let's go ahead and get this video joker out of here. As you can see, it is nicely packaged in here with the styrofoam. We'll go ahead and try to get this into it's pretty big, so make sure you have enough space to get this out. I know I'm struggling. Alright. Yeah. Here we go. Everything's pretty nicely packaged. You try to protect it as much as they can. Alright, so let this plastic off of here. Wow. Nice, shiny, and new. Alright, so we have our air frying rack right here. Going to save these little mice popping the bubbles, me too. But anyway, you got your air frying rack right here. And you have your actual rack that goes in there, rotisserie spit, excuse me, and the little forks that go into your meat. I'll be using that pretty soon. You got your instruction manual and then a quick start guide. And then you have your nice little cookie sheet size cooking pan. Of course, when you're air frying, if you're just using this rack, you could just put that there and cook with it. You could put it on there and put this under there to catch the drippings. I've even seen some people that just throw this in there on top of the rack and just open it directly onto the bottom of the pan and the inside. I wouldn't recommend that because it means more clean. Like, yeah. Alright, so you guys, as you can see, you have this big roomy interior. You have your nice crack tray right here.
Okay guys, so here, I was just closing out my video. I don't know what happened. The sound went away and it started recording in slow motion, which is so weird. But, you guys, there are going to be more videos with this particular unit. The current unit is currently working just fine. I'm working on uploading a few videos currently, and I'm sorry for the delay, but we're going to have so much more content coming, so please like, comment, and subscribe. And you guys have a great holiday season, and just stay tuned because there are more videos coming, and I really appreciate you guys. All right, have a good night.